morning students. In previous video we are discussing about asthma. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about next disease, hypertension. It is the well-known disease hypertension. It is mostly we are seeing in adult stage or older stage. The number of patient of hypertension will be increased. क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ है, एंजाइटी और हेक्टिक शेड्यूल डे बाई डे इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. तो उसकी वजह से क्या है, हाइपरटेंशन वन ऑफ द कॉमन डिसीज दैट इंक्रीज थ्रू आउट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वांट टू नो व्हाट इज हाइपरटेंशन. हाइपरटेंशन क्या है? So it is a simple defined that when the pressure of blood increase in our arteries and create more pressure on the walls of arteries, then it is known as hypertension. Means हम लोग कह सकते हैं जो हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है उसी का नाम हाइपरटेंशन है. हाइपरटेंशन एंड high blood pressure both are same. High blood pressure. Sedentary lifestyle is one of the main reason of high blood pressure. Okay, so normally we can say it is a type of condition when blood pressure in the arteries is persistently elevated. अगर लॉन्ग टर्म आपका ब्लड प्रेशर हाई रहता है, आर्टरीज पर प्रेशर डालता है, तो उसकी वजह से हम लोगों को लॉन्ग टाइम इफेक्ट पड़ सकते हैं. लाइक हम लोगों को हार्ट अटैक आ सकता है, स्ट्रोक पड़ सकता है, जिसको हार्ट फेलियर हो सकता है. इसके अलावा डिफरेंट टाइप की कोरोनरी आर्टरी से रिलेटेड डिसीज हो सकती हैं, वेस्कुलर डिसीज हो सकती हैं. अगर हम देखते हैं तो ब्लड प्रेशर को हम लोग टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल. सिस्टोल एंड हम लोगों ने 11th में पढ़ा था सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर, डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर. सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर मींस व्हेन ब्लड फ्रॉम हार्ट टू मूव टू ऑल ओवर द बॉडी पार्ट्स, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड मींस थ्रू आर्टरीज, इट इज नोन एज सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर. And when it return back to the all the body parts to the lungs and heart through veins is known as diastole. Normally जो हम लोग होता 120 to 80. ठीक है, नॉर्मली कितना होता है 100 mmHg Hg mmHg 120/80. बट जो इसकी नॉर्मल कंडीशन है 110 to 140 110 सिस्टोलिक एंड 70 to 90 डायस्टोलिक. ये इसके नॉर्मल रेंज है हाइपरटेंशन की. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू एज ये डिफरेंट रहता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. ठीक है, लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस एंड मेडिकेशन कैन लोअर द ब्लड प्रेशर. हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप के लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करते हैं. यू कैन परफॉर्म रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज एंड चेंज द लाइफस्टाइल, टेकिंग मेडिसिन, सो इट कैन लोअर डाउन द ब्लड प्रेशर और मेंटेन द ब्लड प्रेशर इन आवर बॉडी. एज वेल एज हम लोगों को अपना माइंड को कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. ठीक है, प्राणायाम करते हैं, मेडिटेशन करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम लोगों का स्ट्रेस लेवल, एंजाइटी लेवल डिक्रीज होता है. वो भी एक रीज़न है हाई ब्लड प्रेशर कम करने का, मीन्स हाइपरटेंशन कम करने का. सो फॉर रिड्यूसिंग हाइपरटेंशन वी आर यूजिंग वेरियस काइंड ऑफ योग. बहुत सारे हाइपरटेंशन दूर करने के बहुत सारे क्या है आसन हैं, जिसमें से कुछ मेन आसन आप कौन कौन से First one is Tadasana. Second one is Bhujangasana. Third one is Vajrasana. Fourth one is Ardha Chakrasana. Fifth one is Pavan Muktasana. And Savasana. These are some asanas that are helpful to reduce blood pressure. If we talk about Tadasana, first we can discuss about Tadasana. Tadasana means palm tree pose. It is also known as palm tree pose because Tadasana comes from Sanskrit word Tad. Tad means palm tree, pose, palm tree, and pose means posture. So Tadasana means palm tree posture. Okay, how it can be performed? To perform Tadasana, first of all, we can erect stand in the floor, and after that, your arms at your side. Now breathe in and stretch your shoulder, and now breathe in and stretch your shoulder, arms and chest in upward direction. At the same time, you can raise your both hands in upward direction, your heel, making sure your body weight should be moved towards the toes. Feel the stretch in your body right from your feet to your head. Hold this pose for a few seconds and then enable and come back to normal position. हम लोगों ने palm tree pose ताड़ासन क्लास 11 में भी आपको बताया, परफॉर्म करके भी दिखाया गया है. ठीक है, that is very beneficial for reducing obesity as well as childhood stage में ये increase height करने के भी काम करता है. If we talk about benefit of Tadasana, there are lot of benefit of performing Tadasana. First, it reduce hypertension. Second, it improve digestive system. It make our posture in a proper position. It improve digestive system. It very beneficial for child to increase their height. It reduce obesity also. Contradiction: those person who suffering from joint pain cannot perform this asana, as well as those person having spinal problem, they can also avoid such kind of asana. Next we move on to Ardha Chakrasana. पवन मुक्तासन, भुजंगासन और वज्रासन हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता रखे हैं, उसको हम लोग दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे. यू कैन गेट दीज आसन फ्रॉम प्रीवियस वीडियो. हाँ, टॉक अबाउट अर्ध चक्रासन. अर्ध चक्रासन मीन्स हाफ व्हील पोज. हाफ व्हील पोज. Somewhere it is known as half moon. Somewhere it is known as half moon, half wheel pose. Ardha Chakrasana is also derived from Sanskrit language. Half means ardh, ardh means half, chakra means wheel, and asana means pose. So half wheel pose is known as Ardha Chakra Asana. How it can be performed? Procedure. It is a very simple procedure. Stand straight and keep some distance between your feet. Keep arm along your body side. Now while standing, inhale, raise your hands overhead, keep your body straight. Now while exhaling, you can move your body backward as possible as you can. At that time your both hands should be placed on your back like that. You can also see the procedure of Ardha Chakrasana through PPT. So these are the procedure, and you can just hold your breath for some time and then exhale. Keep this position at least 5 to 10 seconds and do this exercise or asana at least twice or thrice in a day. Benefit, if we talk about benefit, then the benefit क्या है इसके? It reduce hypertension, it increase flexibility, it improve digestive system, it improve respiratory organ. Other benefit, it helpful to relieve sciatica pain. ठीक है? Contraction, those person who suffering from spinal problem and those person who suffering from joints pain cannot perform this asana. This asana is very helpful for those persons who perform, very beneficial for those persons who having flexibility related problem. तो flexibility को increase करता है. It gives strength to neck, shoulders, muscles also. Contraction में जो प्रेग्नेंट हो गए ना वो भी इनको परफॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए. It create adverse effect on pregnant women. Last asana, Savasana. It comes in relaxative category. Corpse pose, somewhere it is known as dead pose also. It is also comes from Sanskrit language. Sub means corpse and pose means asana, dead pose. One of the simplest asana. This asana can be performed after performing every asana and end of the asanas activity. Savasana comes in relaxative category, so it gives relaxation to our body. Procedure to conduct Savasana is that to perform Savasana, first of all, you can lay down on the floor in supine position. After that, close your eyes, make sure you are comfortable. Place your legs such that they are comfortably apart. Make sure your leg relax completely and your toes are facing sideways. Your arm must be placed along your body and slightly apart, leaving your palm open and facing in upward direction. It can be performed at least 5 to 10 minutes. It can be performed at least 5 to 10 minutes. Benefit: it gives relaxation, it reduces stress, it reduces stress and anxiety problem, give relaxation to body, give relaxation, improve concentration, it improve blood circulation, it give mental stability, etc. Contradiction of this asana is not any kind of, और हम कह सकते हैं कि कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन सवासन का कोई भी नहीं होता. फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी आर टेकिंग हेल्प विद पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन. सो स्टूडेंट सीधा पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन. स्टूडेंट, as we tell you about hypertension, again Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood against the wall of blood vessels, and the magnitude of this force depend on the cardiac output and the resistance of blood vessels. Simply, we can say when the pressure of blood increase in our blood vessels is known as high BP, or it is also known as hypertension. When blood pressure increase and our heart pump more blood, and the narrower your arteries and the higher is your blood pressure. ओके, नॉर्मली हम लोग ये जानते हैं ब्लड प्रेशर को एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है दो मेजरमेंट के थ्रू, सिस्टोलिक एंड डायस्टोलिक. सिस्टोलिक जब ब्लड प्रेशर आर्टरीज के थ्रू बॉडी में जाता है एंड वेन्स के थ्रू बॉडी से वापस आता है डायस्टोलिक. ओके, सो टू कंट्रोल ओवर hypertension there are some following asanas, like first one is Tadasana. It is also known as palm tree pose. How we can perform Tadasana? Procedure: stand up in attention position, lift your arms upward, stretch your hands upward, raise your heel and come on your toes. Also pull up your body upwards. After some time, breathe out slowly and come to the previous position. Repeat the same exercise for at least 10 to 15 times. Repeat this exercise at least 10 to 15 times. As we already told you, Tadasana is made up of Sanskrit word Tada, which means palm tree, or Asan means posture. This asana allow the body and consciousness to integrate that why it can be performed as a preparatory pose or as follow-up pose. Benefit of Tadasana: it is helpful in developing physical and mental balance. It is helpful to reduce hypertension. It improves digestive system. It cures constipation. It reduces obesity. It improves body posture. It improves blood circulation. In child or adolescent stage, it very helpful to increase the height. It cures digestive problem and many other benefit, like it also regulating nervous and respiratory system and helpful for relieving sciatica. Contradiction: a person who suffering from joint pain should not perform Tadasana. Then this asana also avoided during pregnancy. Okay. Next we move on to corpus pose, Savasana. Savasana is very beneficial to reduce blood pressure. To conduct Savasana, lie down flat on your back over the mat. Keep your hands beside the body and spread out with palms facing upward. इसमें देख रहे हैं कॉर्पस पोज या सवासन करते हुए गर्ल्स को. Spread your legs at slight angle and feel as much as relaxed as you can. Allow all your body muscles to relax. Breathe slowly and deeply. Focus your attention on abdomen and notice the slow and rhythmic breathing. Stay in the position as long as you want. The duration can be 5 to 30 minutes. Remember one thing, you do not fall asleep in the process. Release the pose by slowly getting back your hands and leg back in place. Health benefit of corpus pose. What is the benefit of corpus pose? तो corpus pose के benefit क्या है? Before telling you the benefit of push Savasana, we can just tell you Savasana comes from संस्कृत वर्ड सब mean corpus and asan means posture or sit. This asana ensure complete relaxation to the body and mind. Savasana resemble the posture of a dead body. Somewhere it is also known as dead pose. So benefit, it reduce anxiety and hypertension, it provide mental stability, it improve blood circulation, it reduce blood pressure, it relieve insomnia, stress and anxiety, relax body and mind deeply. This asana also beneficial for those who suffering from neurological problem. It also help in diabetes. After that, Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana is also known as half wheel pose. It is known as half wheel pose. Here you are looking a lady perform Ardha Chakrasana. So now move on to the procedure of Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana is also known as half moon, half wheel pose, because it derived from Sanskrit, in which Ardh means half and Chakra means wheel and Asana means pose. So Ardha Chakrasana is known as half wheel pose. Procedure: stand erect on the ground with feet together and putting your both the palms on the lower back by bending the elbow. Inhale slowly, bend your head backward followed by your back as per your convenience. Maintain the pose with slow and deep breathing as long as one feel comfortable. Now while breathing out, release your pose to come back to the starting position. Practice it at least twice to thrice. Benefit of Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana strengthen the back and abdomen muscles. It tone the organ in the abdomen, including the digestive, excretory and reproductive organ. It reduce hypertension, it improve flexibility, it improve respiratory organ. Ardha Chakrasana is good for relieve stress in the neck and shoulder. Ardha Chakrasana give a good shape to the body. It is good for those who have back problem and postural defect. It open the chest and strengthen the arms and shoulder muscles. So these are some benefits. If we talk about contradiction, then a person not perform who having hip or spinal problem, this asana should not be performed by those person who having ulcer and hernia problem. It should also avoided by pregnant women. Okay. And before going that, what is hypertension? Hypertension means blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood against the wall of blood vessel. Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. You can also say that when the pressure of blood increases in blood vessels wall, then it is known as hypertension. Again, I am repeating the definition of hypertension. So after completing this video, we can ask you some question related with this video. First question is, which asana is helpful for child to increase its height? कौन सा आसन है जिसके थ्रू इंक्रीज होती है हाइट? बताइए. ताड़ासन. palm tree pose is the asana which is beneficial for increasing the height of a child in childhood stage. Second question is, savasana is also known as. savasana को क्या बोलते हैं और दूसरा नाम क्या है? savasana is also known as corpus pose. Somewhere it is also known as dead pose. So that's all in this video. Back pain is removed from our syllabus, so after this video we can complete yoga and lifestyle chapter. We will discuss new chapter in next videos, and the chapter name has to be psychology in sports. ओके, घर पर रहिए, अच्छी तरह एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कीजिए. सुरक्षित रहिए। गुड बाय स्टूडेंट्स।